Okay guys, so I got all the plastics pulled off of it, which is just I don't know, probably 25 different bolts that you got to take off, separate the three. And I just got everything sitting over there right now. So first I think I'm going to probably go through with the air compressor and just blow out any of the junk and garbage that's been sitting on it for a while, and then I'm going to go into the electrical end of it, unhook anything that's unnecessary, and make sure fuses are good, and we're going to go through and check all the fluids and throw a battery on it and see what it tries to do when you start it. So we'll be back.